Hi! In this lecture, we'll be talking about numerical operations on numpy arrays with scalars. First, let's import numpy. Okay, now scalars are plain numbers, like integers or floats. If we perform an operation on a scalar and an array, the operation is performed on each element of the array. For example, if we multiply a scalar and an array, the scalar is multiplied by each number in the array. The other operations work exactly the same. Here are some examples. First, let's create a list and turn it to a numpy array. Nums equals 2, 5, 8.5, 12.25, 20. N equals NP array of nums. So let's print out. Okay, this is our numpy array. And now let's test some mathematics. First, addition. M equals N plus 10. Print M. So as we can see, 10 was added to each element in this array. 2 plus 10 equals 12. 5 plus 10 equals 15, and so on. How about subtraction? K equals N minus 2. Print K. 0, 3, 6.5, 10.25, 18. So here we have the original N array minus 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and so on. Now multiplication. Have a look. N equals N times 10. So here we're assigning the result of the multiplication back to our original array. Now let's print N. 20, 50, 85, and so on. So this is multiplication. How about division? Well, there is true division and floor division. Let's start with true division. P equals N divided by 5. Print P. So 4, 10, 17, and so on. This is true division, and this gives us the result we expect. But there is also floor division, which always returns a truncated result. So the result truncated down to the nearest integer number. Let's have a look. R equals P divided by 4. Now the double slash means floor division. Print R. And here is the result. P, so 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5, but the decimal places are rejected. So we only have the value truncated down to the nearest integer value. 17 divided by 4 is 4 and 1/4. Again, this 1/4 is rejected and we only get 4. And so on. How about exponentiation? Have a look. S equals N to the power of 3. Print S. So 20 to the power of 3, 50 to the power of 3, and so on. How about modulus? Well, t equals s modulus 100. This gives us the remainder of the division. Print t. 0, 0, 25. So here there is no remainder. 8,000 divided by 100 gives us no remainder. The same here. But here there is a remainder. 25 is the remainder, and so on. And here's an example with a multidimensional array. Let's define our array like so. X equals, here we have 2 dimensions. So this is our 2-dimensional array. And now let's use it in the following arithmetic expression. Y equals 5 times x plus 1. Print y. So as you can see, each element of the array was multiplied by 5, and then 1 was added to it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.